Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, the Nifty had a big fall on Friday, and after the fall of 346 points or almost 1.94% fall, Nifty closed at 17,530. In fact, it even went on to a low of 17,497. From there was a recovery and then kind of slow closed just above 17,500. So 17,500 is of course a very important support that needs to be watched out. If that is broken, the next level I would say would be 17,200, and on the lower side would be 17,000. On the higher side, 17,700 to 17,800 would continue to be a resistance that needs to be watched out. Now coming to the market, after such a big fall, is Nifty going to fall further? Because we have the Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting tomorrow and day after tomorrow, which is in US, and that would decide the kind of fate for the US market. And as US market is of course one of the most strongest market in the world, and most of the world markets are tend to following the US market, will the Nifty fall further? So that's something that we need to see. So now, if you look at the market today, it is actually looking better. In fact, the US futures have also kind of traded higher this morning. And as we can see, the SGX Nifty is also trading higher, slightly higher, I would say almost, we could expect a gap up opening by 30 to 50 points from the close on Friday. So which could be anything between 17,580 to 17,600 range can be expected. But apart from that, if you look at the local cues are looking really good because Indian government has actually reduced the windfall profit tax on all the locally produced crude oil. So this is something really good because Reliance is one of the major business is into refining, and this can actually be a savior for the company. And if Reliance starts moving upwards, that alone can take the Nifty upwards. So this can be a very important news to focus. So I would say Reliance will be in major focus today. Apart from that, there is great news as Adani family has confirmed that they have completed the acquisition of Ambuja Cement and ACC Cement, which actually makes them the second largest cement manufacturer in India. So that is of course another positive on that side. And similarly, if you see, SDFC Life also has received approval from the National Company Law Tribunal for the amalgamation of Exide Life Insurance along with their company. So these are all really positive news that's coming up in this morning, and I feel with this kind of positive information, I'm kind of feeling that the market has already fallen enough, and probably like I said, there can be even panic selling that actually happened on Friday, which could see some recovery today. However, it may not be a big recovery to talk about, but then markets can actually consolidate for this week. That's what I am expecting right now. But then this is 1 week prior to the monthly expiry next week. So because of that, definitely we would see a lot of action and a lot of volatility continuing in the market. And the major focus would of course be on the monetary policy details that would come out from the US after the meeting tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow, that is Wednesday evening, is when all the data will come out, and that would be in major focus for the market right now. So apart from that, there is a great news for all of us because we are already holding Welspun Corp. They've already bagged another order for supply of 785 miles, for worth of, that is almost 1.25 kilometers worth of welding material. So high frequency induction welding pipes for a company in the US. So that is something really good. So that's going to help the company grow further. So these are few things which are actually good. In fact, of late, the kind of orders that Welspun has been bagging is something amazing. And that's exactly why we entered Welspun quite some time back. And I'm sure all of us are sitting with some good profits already there. So this is just kind of adding confidence to Welspun Corp. So that continues to be there. So if you look at Friday, there was not, just two stocks which actually closed in the green. One was IndusInd Bank, which was up by 2.52%, and Cipla one up by 1%. Apart from that, every other stock in the Nifty 50 pack actually closed in the red. So all those stocks also would see some recovery today. So that's something that needs to be watched out. Special focus would be, of course, on IT sector as well, which actually has sold off so much and it is in the oversold zone. So this could be a good opportunity to kind of add some fund there, and IT sector can probably start recovering from now, or at least consolidate from this fall, I would say, because most of the IT companies, if you see, are at a major support level right now. That's one thing that needs to be watched. However, like I've been discussing, it is good to just go stage by stage investing than to go full in onto IT sector, because since this is right now at a major support, any further fall could actually accelerate some more selling on the downside. But that chances are very low. But however, let us be safe. So going a stage by stage investment into IT is of course beneficial for everyone. So that's something that we can look for. So for now, as we discussed already, the important levels, 17,500 is the important level, which if broken, next comes 17,200 and next comes 17,000. However, I don't expect the Nifty to go down below 17,000 this week at least. So that's my expectation, and that's how the trades are taken in Gold Club as well. On the higher side, 17,700 would remain a major resistance. 7,700, 7,800 and 18,000 are the higher side. However, 18,000 may not be revisited, at least in this month for sure. So that's something that we can expect from the market as of now. So for an investor, like I've been discussing always, it doesn't make difference, because each fall is only an opportunity to add great stocks. In fact, Infosys, TCS, all of them prices are looking really good to actually add to a portfolio. If at all you don't have them in your portfolio, that could actually give out some amazing returns in the next 1 to 2 years. So that's something that you need to actually look out for. So these are the data for this week that's going to start today, and looking forward to yet another profitable week. I'm glad we are going to start this week in the Gold Club with amazing profits, because the market is opening flat or kindly slightly gap up. So this is going to help all the members in Gold Club. So if you want to trade with us, if you want to invest with us, all this is free. All you need to do is join our community at mpiinvest.com, and we are here to help you invest and grow your money in the equity market. With that, this is Srikant, Rajan signing off. Goodbye. Have a great day and a great week ahead.